Do you wish you could improve your cooking skills, but you don't have the time, the energy, or the money to go to culinary school? Or maybe you just want to create healthier meals that are actually delicious without spending a ton of extra time in the kitchen? I've got you. I'm Chris. I'm a trained chef, a culinary nutritionist, and a mom of two, and I help home cooks up-level everyday meals without the extra stress. And I want to invite you to cooking school, where we will spend 5 days taking you through the basics and beyond of becoming a great cook, no culinary school tuition required. In fact, it's 100% free. I'll teach you things like how to actually use that knife in a way that's efficient, how to season your food so it tastes delicious, what all those weird culinary terms actually mean, and how to make your everyday meals even more tasty. So grab your apron because class starts soon. Click the link below and join me in cooking school.